Hello friends, welcome to another important general science session. In this lesson, we will discuss about Newton's laws of motion and equation of motions. We will only touch those points which are important for exam point of view. So let us start. Newton's first law is also known as law of inertia. We will discuss about first law further. Second law is known as law of measurement of force, and third law is known as law of action and reaction. Direct questions are coming like this in examinations. What first law says? A body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line in the same direction unless some external force is applied to it. Means if a body is at rest and there is no force, then no movement will occur. If a body is in motion, then its direction will not change unless we apply a force. So examples are very important. First example, the sudden train or bus starts. The passenger sitting in it leans in the opposite directions. If train or bus starts forward, then the man sitting on the bus leans backward. To move a dart from court, we hit it with a stick. Before taking a long jump, athlete runs for a while. Next, second law states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is directly proportional to the force applied, or for an object with constant mass, that the net force on an object is equal to the mass of that object multiplied by acceleration. You all know that force equal to mass into acceleration, or rate of change of momentum. What is momentum? Momentum, if P is momentum, then formula P equal to mv. You know, P equal to mv. Okay, first equal to formula dp by dt, rate of change of momentum. Third law, very important. Remember those formulas. Third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Examples, only examples are important, nothing else. A rocket of thrust. When a rocket starts, then a rocket starts. Rocket principle based on mechanism of Newton's third law. Bullet firing on recoils back. If we fire a bullet, then it recoils back. To drive water boat, bamboo stick pressed in the into the land of water. Some formula: weight mg, momentum. Unit of weight is Newton, equal to force. Momentum P equal to mass into velocity. Some general equations of motions: V equal to U plus AT. It changes equation of motions for freely falling body, and A will change to G, acceleration due to gravity. So V equal to U plus AT. S equal to ut plus half at square. H equal to ut plus half gt square. Only for those freely falling bodies. V square equal to u square plus 2s. Here s is distance. If it asks what is general equation of motion for distance, then you will take s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Next, displacement time graph. This is very important. If we take time in x-axis and distance in y-axis, then for constant velocity, distance time graph will be straight line. Okay, like this. Zero velocity graph will be like this, line parallel to x-axis. Zero velocity also can be this, like this. Accelerating If accelerating in a constant speed, then like a curve, like this, and decelerating like this. Important, very very important. Remember all this. Velocity time graph. Later we discuss displacement time graph. Now velocity time graph. For constant velocity, in y-axis we are taking velocity, x-axis time. So for constant velocity, graph will be like this, parallel to x-axis. For constant acceleration, you know, acceleration equal to v by t. If constant acceleration, then if velocity rises, then time also rises, like this. A constant deceleration, constant acceleration, this is constant deceleration. Velocity time decelerating. Okay. A constant deceleration to rest, then constant acceleration in the opposite direction. Also remember this one. For projectile motion, these three formulas are very very important. Problems are asking in the examinations. Projectile motion graph will be like this. Okay. Time of flight t equal to 2 v0 or u कही परिबो sin theta by g. Maximum height reached h equal to v0 square sin square theta by 2g. Horizontal range r equal to v square sin 2 theta by g. Remember here v0 is initial velocity. Initial velocity. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.